You know, when we talk about artificial intelligence, it's so easy to think of it as this unstoppable force of nature, right? Something that's just happening to us. But that's not really the right way to look at it. The future of AI isn't something we're just going to discover. It's something that's being designed right now. We're the architects. We're making the choices today that will build the world of tomorrow. So, let's take a look at the blueprints.
Okay, first things first, let's clear the air a little. When you hear the letters AI, your brain probably jumps straight to the movies. Thinking, feeling robots, maybe a little bit of world domination thrown in for good measure. But the reality of AI today, it's way more subtle. And honestly, it's already woven into the fabric of our lives. It's less about these super sentient machines and way more about powerful pattern recognition, data analysis, and the smart assistants that we're all talking to every single day.
And that's really the perfect place for us to start. Because to get a handle on where we're going with AI, we first have to recognize just how much it's already here, working quietly in the background of our lives.
So, what are we even talking about here? Well, at its core, AI is basically about systems that are designed to see what's going on around them and then take action to hit a really specific goal. And here's the magic ingredient. They learn. They get better by processing just massive, unbelievable amounts of data, way more than any human could get through in 1,000 lifetimes.
Sound familiar? Yeah, it definitely should. Every single time Netflix suggests a movie you might like, or Spotify builds that perfect playlist for you, or your GPS app reroutes you around a traffic jam, guess what? That's AI at work. It's the thing filtering your spam, curating your social media feed, and answering your questions to your voice assistant. You're already an expert user. You just might not have realized it.
All right, so now that we see where AI is today, let's look ahead. Let's talk about the future, starting with something that affects every single one of us, our jobs. Because AI isn't just going to be a background helper forever, it's set to become a major force in reshaping the entire landscape of work as we know it.
And just think about the scale of this change for a second. Some really influential studies are projecting that within the next decade or so, nearly half, 47% of the tasks that we do in our jobs could be automated. Let that sink in. Now, that's not 47% of jobs disappearing, but 47% of the things we do within our jobs. A transformation that big naturally leads to some pretty important questions.
So, what happens to the jobs that are built around those tasks that get automated away? And as AI takes over all the routine and repetitive stuff, what skills are going to become even more valuable for us humans to have?
Now, this isn't some doom and gloom story about humans becoming obsolete. Not at all. It's really about a shift in focus. The most valuable skills in the age of AI are going to be the things that make us, well, human. We're talking about complex, nuanced problem solving. We're talking about emotional intelligence, empathy, and working together. And of course, true creative and strategic thinking. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, for sure, but these are the skills that will actually guide it.
And of course, this impact goes way beyond just our careers. AI is set to transform the very pillars of our society. Everything from how we learn to how we heal to how we govern ourselves.
And I mean, this transformation is touching pretty much every part of our lives. We're seeing massive potential all over the place. In healthcare, with AI that can help with diagnostics. In education, with truly personalized learning paths. In government, with more efficient public services. And even in entertainment, with content being created in completely new ways. But with all that great promise, there's also great peril. It's a double-edged sword. Let's just take healthcare as an example. The promise is absolutely incredible. An AI that can spot diseases earlier than any human doctor, or design a treatment plan that's perfectly tailored to your personal genetic code. The peril, though, is just as real. How do we protect all that sensitive patient data? And how do we make absolutely sure that the algorithms don't just amplify existing biases, leading to unequal care for different groups of people?
And that right there brings us to the very heart of the matter. We can call it the architect's dilemma. The technology is going to advance, that's a given. But the direction it takes, that's on us. It depends completely on the ethical choices we make as we build this thing.
So, here's the crucial point, the one thing to really take away from all this. We cannot afford to be passive spectators in this process. We're not watching a movie. We are the ones drawing the blueprints. The future of AI is going to reflect the values we choose to build into its very foundation.
So how do we actually do that? Well, it starts by asking the right questions. We have to build these frameworks around things like fairness, constantly asking who benefits from this algorithm and who could be harmed. Think about an algorithm that approves